Hello YouTube, this is Shirabi, and in this video we want to show you how to implement user verifications, their emails, and with sending email, and the email have a button to verify it by clicking OK. And of course we want to talk about most common mistakes that beginners make, such as hard coding on the controller and don't using interfaces and services, which is makes it very dirty coding, and it don't follow the solid structure, solid principle, and of course dry, don't repeat yourself. They have to repeat themselves whenever they want to switch to another thing. For example, we will use email address, okay, and whenever we want to change it to something like SMS, OTP, or so on, we just have to change the app service provider and change the bind of the interface, okay? And I will show you on the screen. This is the first mistake that beginners make, and the second one is using directly for the mailing and don't using notifications. So they just directly on the services even, or maybe controller, use mail system and don't use any notifications, which is not so cool. And the next one is ignoring queues and make the request directly, make the request immediately after API response. So it make the HTTP response a little bit longer. Okay, if you use the queue, that will ignore the sending email on the API response, and they don't wait for the success or rejected or through any error for the sending mail request, and they do it on the background if you use queue. Okay, so it's one of the most important thing, and not handling the expired verification links and even reused links, and this is the most common mistakes. Okay, so today we want to talk about these, and I want to show you the codes of this kind of project. So be with me on this video and let's go. Okay, let's do it by split it into some parts. The first part is of course sending the email, and after that verify the user email. Okay, so let's go by creating the first folder named contracts for putting our interface, and the first one is verify interface, verify interface. Okay, so that's right, namespace named app, and contracts, okay, and interface named verify this one, and this is need two functions for that. The first one is send email, okay, send verification, okay, need user, and the string of code. Okay, I knew it, there is no need to put code. Okay, since we wanna email the user kind of hashed one of his own email. Okay, we hash the email and send it to the user. Okay, and the user, by clicking on that and the ID, the row ID of the user is able to verify himself. Okay, this is kind of standard of verifying the email address in the Laravel. Okay, but since we want to make it scalable, okay, and make it switchable, we put code. Since when we want to use for example SMS OTP, we need to send code, and we shouldn't change the interface. So let's go with it and verify. Okay, user code 2, and this is the interface. Let's create another folder named auth for authentication. It's auth, email verification service. So that's it. Namespace app services, and auth class is this, and implements with this interface. All right, public functions, send verification, and public function verify user and string code. Okay, so that's it. And after that, you have to bind it, app service provider, register. So this app should be bind with this verify interface class and email verification service class. All right, this is the binding. So we have to put the logic here. Okay, now what we want to do is sending the notification. Okay, so let's create the notification named send email notification. This one. Okay, so after that we have a new folder, a new file over here. We of course need code over here. We have to pass the code, so we put it here, and here this code is equal to color code. So that's it. Okay, and after that we have to pass kind of URL. Okay, one of the most important is putting true env of SMTP. Okay, I'm using this website Mailtrap since it's not on the production, so I'm working with its inbox. Okay, come here, and after that specify the coding. Okay, and after that you have to copy it and paste it over here, and of course put the mail password because it's started. Okay, we can copy it like this. Okay, so let's go, and these are my mailbox. Okay, it's kind of an example of how Laravel send emails, and this verify button, user clicks on that and verify his email address. So let's go with it. So let's create the URL is equals URL signed route. We should put a name for that and some params. Of course we need code, put it easily the code over here. So the next one is ID of the user, as I told you. So notifiable and get key. Okay, by this way we get the ID. So we need to put the route of the verify. Of course put it under this middleware. Okay, because you need to use authenticated user, and if you didn't put it under this one, you can use it. Okay, so route get verify auth controller class verify and put the name for that as verify. Let's go. So this is the way we wanna verify. Of course, let's create it function, but dollar request. But we don't wanna create the logic for that right now because we are in the sending the email. Sending email part. Let's go. Okay, now user, whenever wanna register, okay, we have to send the verification code like this, since we say it here. Okay, so here we have to say protected dollar send no verify service. Okay, so let's say public function construct, and we have to give the verify interface verify service. Okay, maybe you will ask who wanna fill this part, who wanna pass it to the app. Of course, app service provider will do it. Okay, whenever you want to use it, okay, want to pass it. Okay, and one of the most important is whenever you want to migrate to something like SMS, OTP, or etc. Okay, you can change it. Okay, and one of the cool part is if you want to let the user choose between OTP or sending an email. Okay, you can put something like that function $app, and after that check the type, and the type is given from request, and this is type key, and the default is email. Okay, by this way, and we can check if the type was email. Okay, return like that. If the email, if it was email, you have to put email verification service class and whatever, for example phone verification. Okay, so but it's not for now since we have a specified controller, and it's, I just wanna teach you. Okay, so let's go with it. I told you how it wanna feel. So this verify service is equals to this verify service, and let's go. After that, whenever you wanna register, you have to send the email like that. This verify service and send verification. Okay, and you have to pass the user and this created user. All right, and the code, what is, we have to hash the email and pass it to the application to put it on the email and send it for the user. Okay, so this we can access from data, and user of course no different, and even user email user get email for verification or something. Okay, so there is it's email, and after that when we pass it to the to this service, okay, to this service, we have to say user. We have to call the user function. We have to create the function from here, public function send verification, and we have to get the code over here. Okay, say this notify new send email notification, and we have to pass the code. Let's go with it. this is the way. So send verification, this code. All right, so we can send the code like that. And the reason which I don't use try and catch and even checking if this one is right or no and return true or false, and I immediately return the true. The reason of that is we want to use Q, okay, to speed up the API, okay. So we cannot check it's true or not because the application put it on the how can I say it, on the back scene, okay, and on the database, okay, and do it later and put it in the queue and do them one by one. So we cannot immediately say it's true or not. So we return as true, and we can check it on the failed jobs. Let's go with it and test if it's true. API register, okay, with email. This is ADSH. Password is ADSH, and name, this is ADSH. Okay, let's go with it. Too few argument. Also, let's check the flow. So from the API, whenever you want to register, okay, pass it like this. Oh, failed here. House service and house service. Okay, look at this, it's take too long, okay, and the email will be sent a few seconds ago, okay. Notification, action, and no problem right now, okay. The reason it's take too long is this one does not have any, it's curable, okay, but we have to say implement as should queue, okay. With this one we can use the queue, and we have to say artisan queue table. By this way it's already exists, okay. I did it in the past. Artisan queue and work, and we run it, okay. Now it's ready to use, and after that just let's put the URL over here and let's go. So let's put 2 over here, test it out, okay. The API response is too fast, okay, and it's response immediately. So let's check it out. The emails are working fine, and this is the link, okay. Now let's check the verify part from the API, okay. So don't forget to put it under the house API midware, and after that we came here, and after that you have to say this house service verify with what? Verify it need user, of course, okay, and etc. So let's go to the house service, the verify part, okay. So for this one we need user and string cut, okay. So we need two things, and let's create a request for that. Make request named verify request. Okay, so here on verify request, no need to authorize anything, so we just need two kind of params, code which is a string and required. So and the of course ID, okay, is integer. Okay, and whenever we wanna use it, okay, we can access it easily. So let's find the user, find or fail with dollar request input ID. Okay, find or fail. So let's pass the user, and after that request code. Is this right? No. Input this input, and there is nothing as default. Let's go. It should be true, but we can put it into try and catch, since it's not working with any QAble kind of works. Response, no data, there is internal problem, and after that is okay. Let's go with it, and dollar status for this. Okay, it should be written true or false to handle this one. Okay, so mouse controller, and if return, if this status was true, okay, you can return dollar this response, and if not, you can say this response with no data, the sent code is not true. Maybe you wanna hack us. It's for fun. Don't use it on production. Okay, let's go with it. And this is the API response. After API, let's check everything. So we pass the code over here, and this email, this verify service, verify user code. So it's useless. Okay, it's just wanna return this kind of repository or kind of service response. Okay, so let's go with it and handle logic over here. Okay, so now we have to check if was not true the is hash equals. Okay, if the hash equals was not true, okay, do some things, and whatever, do something. Okay, so do something. Okay, return true, return false maybe. Okay, and which hash this given code, and dollar user email address, and hash it again. Okay, we hash the user email address just like otherwise, and here, okay, just like that. Okay, we hash it and check it. If it was equals, okay, it return true, and it was false, return false. Okay, so that's it. So that's it. The better way is like that. Okay, so let's check it out. And but keep in mind, you have to your front end guy should put the token too. Okay, look at this, for example, here, I have to have the token on here. Okay, it's false. Okay, it's not for me. Okay, the other problems is this registration does not give me any token. Right, that's right. Okay, so it should not be user, it should be token. Okay, and after that we have the response with token. Okay, and this token should be like that. Okay, so let's go here, and should not be user, it's useless, should be token equals to fidelity aus from user, should be user, and dollar token. Okay, so let's register again with another guys 3. Okay, so this is the token I was talking about, and let's put it on the authentication, and let's check it here. Let's copy this link and let's put it over here, remove from API, and yep, let's go. The ID, oh god damn, the ID is not came. And what was that? Why was that? The code is coming true, but the ID is not. Let's check this part. ID not, oh, it's function, sorry. Okay, this is the coding, guys. If you don't know this is the function and you are a beginner, it take 1 day for you. Okay, should I yes, I have to send the email again. So let's register email, last chance to work. It's gmail.com. This is the name. The last chance to work. Name, last chance to work. So let's go with it. Password field. Oh, goddamn. This is token. This is the token. This is the email. And remove from API. Everything's. Oh god, where's the ID again? Come on. I was dead. ID not fable. Get key. Alright. Oh, it's should queue. Okay. When you use should queue, it catch something which I test everything. Catch clear. Config clear. View clear. Okay. But none of them works, and they can't clear its catch. I don't know why. But let's remove the queue, okay, and don't use a queue for now, and get the ID of that. Okay, email. This is ID me Okay, so name, this is me, and password, this is me. Let's go with it. It's take too long, okay, of course. So let's copy. I'm a little bit ill, so just I'm sorry if I make mistake. Yes, ID is there, so let's copy it, let's paste it, signature ID code, and operation was successfully local pishman. So if you put it like that, okay, it returns you to the index file, okay. And the reason is wait, shouldn't do that. Let's do something for the API. Let's move it from here to here, okay. The name should be verify, of course, but not any midware. So you pass the ID, so you don't need to use hours, okay. So there is. Yup, operation was successfully, and it's reusable tokens like that, okay. So we have to check if the user can change his email verify add column here. Look at this. Oh, god damn, we forgot it at all, okay. When it was true, okay, you have to check if it was true. You should have to say verify email. Oh, I forgot that. Verify email, verify. You can do it manually, okay. Now, okay, but it's not very cool. It will work, okay, as the same, but I think there's a keyword like verify email address, or has verify email address for checking it, okay. If user did not verify this email, change it, okay. Whatever, just return true and don't change it, okay. You know why? Because when you are changing it, okay, this is kind of time, okay, when the user is verified his email, okay. If you let the user do it multiple times, when the latest one just saved, okay. So we need the first one, not the last one. This is the problem, and you have to do it with this, okay. So I can't remember the keyword. User verify email. Let's check it by AI. Goddamn AI. Please make the user email address verify. Oh, my mark email as verified. Damn, guys. So user mark email as verified. Let's go. That's it. Let's check it for. Okay, let's set this one implements as should queue. Okay, and this is the last polish. So API register, this is YouTube email name, password is this. Okay, so oh shit, still is don't putting ID for me. So let's do something. Let's stop the work and let's do the work again and check it if one works or not, because it's not true, because it doesn't have any ID over there. Okay, so this is it. Yep, it works. It works. Operation was successfully, and if you check it right there, if you check it over here, the date will be saved. Okay, and 4934. Okay, and if the user refresh it, there's no fucking different here. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. There's no any different 4934. Okay, if you don't put that and do it like this, okay, you have some things like that. Okay, this is 49, right? So if you refresh it and you come again, oh, why didn't change? I think, come on man, please change it. So verification, mark email. What am I doing here, guys? Doing it wrong. I'm really sorry. I'm very ill. What is that? Okay. Add this. If dollar user has verified email, yes, I remember it. Okay, just return stats. This is true logically, because I'm scared to fall, man. I'm a little bit so easily we send notification from here and no problem, return true, whatever. And over here we check if the status of that and the user didn't verify this email, mark it as read. Okay, mark it as verified. Okay, and whatever, we will return these stats, right? Let's check it out. And here we go. Yep, this works. And second one. Okay, it's 17. Okay, and whenever we change it, of course it will be changed. Okay. Oh god damn, bro. Okay, it should not be changed. Okay, because BR do it as a true way. But if put it like that, refresh it, and it's not 17, okay? Yeah, it's 46, right? That's it. And yep, done. Alright, send it, refine it, use should queue, use queues for that. We check the reused ones, and that's it. Oh guys, let's check it out, because I think yes, this signer route is not have any expired time. Okay, so let's say temporary signed route. Okay, and after that we need expiration. Okay, expiration. So let's say Carbon now. Okay, add century, add minutes 60. Okay, I think that's cool. And by this way we and after that we have to check it on the verify. Okay, so on the verify mail, verify the house controller. Here you can say if dollar request has valid signature. Okay, return dollar this response of no data, the verify link is expired. Okay, by this way, and should I put as stats? Okay, it was new. Okay, so let's go with it. And that was it. Is that we cannot wait for 60 minutes to check if the check if expire is working or not. Okay, but there is this is the most the most how can I say, the most master way to implement this verifying system. It's scalable, it's use queues, it's check the expiration, it's check the reused links and whatever. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, please comment for me, that's very motivation. Even you can subscribe me if you want to see more videos from me, and it can very motivate me. So that's it for now. I see you in the next videos. Let's go.